Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Che, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with Aran yarn. It's 100% premium acrylic anti-pill yarn, baby peach color, and its color code is 2027, and I am going to handle single crochets with yarn under the hook. So let us go into the video right now. Single crochet with yarn under the hook works best in the round. I have made a small basket in the round with that stitch, and the stitch looks like this. This is the t-shirt yarn that I have used to make this basket. This t-shirt yarn is 100% cotton from Magic Needles, and I have used 9mm hook, 9mm clover armor hook. So I will teach you how to go about this in the round with the Aran yarn. To begin with, chain 20. For this I am using clover armor hook 5mm. Chain 20 and get back to me. I have chain 20. Now slip stitch and join with the first chain. And now your single crochets with yarn under begins. Chain 1, and in the same stitch insert your hook. This is yarn over the hook, yarn under is like this. So the hook will go on the yarn and you will pick up the yarn, pull it through. This is yarn under. And yarn over, pull through 2. Again insert in the next, yarn under the hook, pull up, pull through. Again in the next, yarn under the hook. Again in the next. So when you pick up the yarn and pull through the stitch, it has to be yarn under the hook. The hook should go above the yarn, pull up and pull out. Again insert, yarn under the hook, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through. Yarn under, so ensure that this is not twisted. When you come back, you need to slip stitch with the very first stitch. Hope I have not done the previous 2 with yarn under. Let me unravel and make it, I'll make it sure that it is yarn under. Otherwise there will be an odd man out looking, putting out in between the stitches. This yarn under the hook SC in the round gives a beautiful finish. It gives a good stitch definition. So let me finish and get back to you when I reach the end here. I've come to the end of the round here, and I counted that there are 20 single crochets, and then I'm slip stitching the normal way. You need to chain 1 to secure. Again insert in the stitch, yarn under the hook, pull out, insert, yarn under the hook, insert, yarn under the hook, yarn over, pull through 2. So continue the stitch round after round. I shall complete this round and get back to you. I've completed the second row. Make a chain and then again start working from the same stitch. Insert, this is the very first stitch. Yarn under the hook. Again insert, yarn under the hook. Both are clover hooks. This is clover soft touch and this is clover armor. Both are 5mm and both work wonderfully well. It's very easy and very nice to work with clover hooks. Your work goes very fast. So I shall complete few more rounds and get back to you. This is the way. Even now you can see how the stitches are formed. You can see the crosses appearing. When we finish a few more rounds, the stitches will be clearer still. So I have completed a few rounds, and this is how the stitches appear, and these stitches have got a beautiful definition. They look like a crosses done, but it's not actually the crosses done. It's the single crochet working yarn under the hook, picking up the yarn under the hook and working in the round. This stitch gets beautiful definition when it is worked front facing, that is right side alone. Then it appears very good. And then you work it in the reverse mode, the stitches appear like this. They're almost similar to the normal single crochet, but when you look at the stitches in detail, they will be very closer, and they give a beautiful definition also for the stitches comparative to the yarn over the hook S's. So and this fabric also is little what do you call, closely knitted. That will be, the yarn over ones will be little flexible, more flexible, and more this will be closely knitted, and it gives a beautiful definition to the stitches also. So it's best worked in the round. To have a clearer picture, these are the crosses that you can see when you work yarn under the hook. See, so they'll appear as the crosses have been made. Thank you friends for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye now.